Is it really possible to start a dropshipping business from scratch and land your first sale in just 48 hours? You hear about it all the time, but what does it actually take? Well, we're about to find out. In this video, you're going to watch me go through this 6-step process as I hunt for a winning product, build a simple online store that converts, and launch my very first ads. The goal? To get just one sale in the next 2 days. No fluff, no skipped steps. You'll see the whole process, the real numbers, and whether this crazy challenge is even possible. The clock starts now. Step 1. The clock starts now. Rules and reality check. All right, the clock is officially ticking. We have 48 hours. Here are the ground rules for this challenge. I'm working with a lean budget of $150. This needs to cover my Shopify plan, any app costs, and the initial ad spend. The goal isn't to get rich in 2 days. It's to prove the concept and get one single profitable sale. Now let's get real for a second. While I'm doing this on a shoestring for the challenge, starting a long-term dropshipping business requires more capital and a lot more paperwork. Realistically, startup costs can run from a few hundred to over $1,000. And, critically, to operate legally, you'll likely need a business license and a sales tax permit from your state or county, which isn't part of this 48-hour sprint. Many beginners get stuck for weeks, even months, in analysis paralysis, terrified of picking the wrong product. This challenge is about one thing: breaking that cycle. It's about taking decisive action to get a real piece of data, a sale that tells us we're on the right track. This is step 1, not the entire playbook. Failure is definitely an option, but sitting on the sidelines isn't. Let's do this. Step 2, finding the winning product. The first 6 hours are dedicated to one mission: product research. This is where the game is often won or lost. You don't need a revolutionary invention. You need a product that's already showing signs of life. My process starts where millions of us are already losing track of time. I'm not just scrolling, I'm hunting for clues. I'm looking for products that solve an obvious problem, have a wow factor that stops the scroll, or just look incredibly cool. Think about things that make a daily chore easier or improve a hobby. After about an hour of saving ideas, I'm noticing a trend around home organization and clever kitchen gadgets. That leads me to the next step: validating my hunch. It's time to move from scrolling to searching. I'm using a product research tool called AutoDS, which tracks trending product on platforms like TikTok. It helps me see which products are getting buzz and have high order counts. I'm filtering for products with a solid potential margin. Ideally, something I can source for under $10 and sell for around $30. It also needs to be lightweight for shipping and look good in video ads. After comparing a few contenders, I've landed on one: an automatic pot stirrer. It clips onto a pot and stirs for you. It's a classic problem solver. It has a clear wow factor. It's a breeze to demonstrate in a quick video, and it fits my budget. The supplier cost, shipping included, is around $8. I've seen similar products selling for $29.99 or more. This is our horse in the race. Now we need somewhere to sell it. Step 3, the 1-hour store build. With the product locked in, it's time to build our digital storefront. We need a clean, trustworthy website, and we need it yesterday. For this, I'm using Shopify. It's the industry standard for a reason. While the popular basic plan is usually around $39 per month, Shopify often has introductory offers for new users, like a free trial followed by a few months for just $1 per month. This is perfect for a challenge like this. I'm not going for perfection. I'm going for functionality and trustworthiness. I sign up and pick a clean, free theme like Sense or Dawn that looks professional out of the box. The most important pages are the product page, a simple home page, and the policy pages like shipping and returns. Shopify has templates for these, which is a massive time saver. Next, I connect a product sourcing app, in this case AutoDS, to my Shopify store. This lets me import the automatic stirrer in just a few clicks. The app pulls in images and a basic description, but I'm going to spend 30 minutes rewriting it. I use a mix of my own words and an AI tool like ChatGPT to craft benefit-driven bullet points. No more burnt risotto, free up your hands, perfect sauces every time. I set the price at $29.99. The product costs me $8.15 to source and ship, leaving a healthy margin for ad spend. I whip up a quick logo with a free online tool and set up my navigation: home, product, contact us. The entire store is built in just over an hour. It's not fancy, but it's clean, mobile-friendly, and has everything a customer needs to feel confident buying. Pro tip: always check how your site looks on a phone. That's where most of your customers will be. Step 4. Ad creation and launch. We have a product, we have a store. Now we need traffic. For a visual, impulse buy product like our pot stirrer, TikTok is the perfect battlefield. Forget Hollywood-level production. The best ads on TikTok feel like they belong there. My strategy is simple. Create 3 short video ads using the clips provided by the supplier, re-edited into different versions. The first 3 seconds of a TikTok ad are everything. You have to hook them instantly. Video 1. Hook: I hate stirring my food, so I bought this. It's relatable and sets up the problem. Video 2. Hook: the laziest kitchen gadget ever. This sparks curiosity. Video 3. Hook: how to make perfect caramel without stirring for 30 minutes. This focuses on the glorious result. Each video is around 20 seconds, shows the product in action, and has some upbeat trending audio. Time to launch. I'm setting up a dead simple ad campaign on TikTok with a daily budget of just $20. This is purely for testing. I'm targeting a broad audience interested in cooking, food, and kitchen gadgets. With a $20 daily spend, my $150 total budget gives me a few days to see what works. The ads are live, the store is open, the clock shows we're about 16 hours in. Now, we wait. Step 5. Waiting and result. This is always the most nerve-wracking part. The ads are spending, and for the first few hours, crickets. I'm checking my Shopify app every 30 minutes like a maniac. We're getting some traffic and a few add to carts, a great sign. It means the ad is working and the price isn't an immediate deal breaker, but still no sales. Then, about 12 hours after the ads went live, a notification. It's the one we've been waiting for, that beautiful, unmistakable cha-ching sound from the Shopify app. We did it. We got a sale. Total time elapsed, 32 hours. We beat the 48-hour clock with time to spare. Seeing an idea turn into a real order that quickly is an incredible feeling. This one sale is validation. It proves someone wants the product, the ad worked, and the store is trustworthy enough to take their money. Step 6. The final numbers. Getting the sale is a rush, but was it actually profitable? Let's break down the numbers with total transparency. Sale price is $29.99. Now for the costs. Product cost, including shipping, $8.15. Total ad spend to get the sale, $18.45. Shopify transaction fee, 2.9%, plus 30 cents on the basic plan, $1.20. So the grand total is $29.99 minus $27.80. Warrants a net profit of $2.19. A profit of $2.19 might not sound like you're ready to retire, but in this challenge, it's a massive win. Our very first sale, inside our 48-hour window. This is the data point we were after. It tells us our cost to acquire a customer is less than our profit margin, which means this business might just have legs. So there you have it. We went from zero to a profitable dropshipping sale in just 32 hours. We proved that it's possible to cut through the noise and get started fast. But let me be crystal clear. This is the starting line, not the finish line. One sale is a data point, not a 6-figure business. The real work starts now, analyzing ad data, launching new creatives, and dealing with the realities of customer service and shipping times. The failure rate in dropshipping is sky high because this is where many people stop. They think every day will be this easy, and it won't. However, if you've been stuck on the sidelines, drowning in information and too scared to start, I hope this shows you that taking the first step is completely within your reach. You don't need to be a marketing genius or have a huge budget to test an idea. You just need to take focused, decisive action. If you want to follow along as I try to scale this little store from one sale into a real brand, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be documenting the entire process, the wins, the losses, and all the lessons in between. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to get started.